When it comes to portable computing, the choice often boils down to two options: laptops and mini PCs. Laptops have traditionally been the preferred option for those seeking a blend of performance and portability, with their all-in-one design catering to a wide range of users. However, mini PCs are rapidly gaining popularity for their ability to deliver a full workstation experience in a fraction of the size. But with both options available, which one should you choose? In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons, compare their features, and provide you with a much clearer idea of which device will suit your lifestyle and needs. When it comes to portability, laptops have long been the go-to choice for users on the move. These all-in-one devices pack a punch by combining a screen, keyboard, and trackpad into a sleek, foldable package. From bustling coffee shops to cramped airplane seats, laptops slip effortlessly into bags and can be whipped out at a moment's notice. Mini PCs, on the other hand, fall short in the portability department. While they're compact enough to toss in a bag, they lack the all-in-one nature of laptops. You'll need to connect them to external displays, keyboards, and mice, which can make impromptu work sessions a logistical nightmare. However, mini PCs shine when it comes to space efficiency. These diminutive devices can be tucked away behind monitors or mounted under desks, which can free up valuable real estate in cramped home offices or dorm rooms. For those who prioritize a clutter-free workspace, mini PCs offer a solution that laptops simply can't match. Mini PCs often have the upper hand here by offering a level of flexibility. Many models allow users to swap out components like RAM, storage, and even CPUs with relative ease. This means you can start with a basic configuration and beef it up over time as your needs grow. Laptops, by contrast, can be a mixed bag when it comes to upgrades. While some models allow for simple RAM and storage expansions, others are about as upgradable as a brick. High-end gaming laptops and certain business models tend to offer more upgrade options, but you'll often pay a premium for this flexibility. It's worth noting that the trend towards slimmer, more integrated designs in laptops has led to an increasing number of models with soldered components and proprietary parts. This can make upgrades a headache or even impossible in some cases. When it comes to affordability, mini PCs often beat laptops. These tiny devices pack a punch without putting a dent in your wallet. Take, for example, the Intel NUC-11, a popular mini PC that is priced around $525 on Amazon. This little machine is powered by an Intel Core i7-1165G7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 512 GB SSD, specs that would make many laptops blush. On the flip side, a laptop with similar specifications, like a mid-range laptop such as the Dell XPS 13, can easily cost around $1,000 on Amazon. That's almost a $500 difference. It's more than enough to buy a decent monitor and peripherals to complement your mini PC setup. But hold your horses before you rush to declare mini PCs the budget king. Remember, laptops come with built-in screens, keyboards, and batteries, features you'll need to factor in when comparing overall value. It's not always an apples-to-apples comparison. When it comes to performance, it's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. Both mini PCs and laptops come in a wide range of configurations, from entry-level to top-of-the-line. However, there are some general trends worth noting. For everyday tasks like web browsing, document editing, and video streaming, both options can handle the job with accuracy. But when we venture into more demanding territory, we start noticing differences. Laptops, especially those in the ultrabook category, often prioritize power efficiency over raw performance to maximize battery life. This can lead to throttling under heavy loads, particularly in graphics-intensive tasks or prolonged CPU-heavy operations. Mini PCs, free from the constraints of battery life, can often sustain higher performance levels for a long time. They're particularly well-suited for tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, or running multiple virtual machines. Gaming is another arena where mini PCs can shine. While gaming laptops exist, they often come with a hefty price tag and can struggle with heat dissipation. Although mini PCs are not dedicatedly built for gaming, a well-configured mini PC can offer similar or better gaming performance at a lower cost, with the added benefit of better cooling options. However, laptops still hold the crown in one crucial area: portability. For users who need to work on resource-intensive tasks while on the move, a high-end laptop remains the only viable option. Verdict: after diving deep into the world of mini PCs and laptops, the laptop is the clear winner. Laptops shine in scenarios where portability is paramount. The all-in-one design with its built-in screen and keyboard offers convenience for on-the-go productivity. On the flip side, mini PCs excel in situations where space is at a premium and upgradability is desired. They're ideal for home offices, professional workspaces, or anyone looking to create a custom computing setup without breaking the bank. Performance-wise, both devices can be effective in their own right. But affordability tends to favor mini PCs, especially when you factor in the potential for future upgrades. The choice between these two devices boils down to your specific needs, preferences, and use cases. So, consider your priorities and let these guide your choice. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.